Problem is, prove that area of the region bounded by the line x is 1 by 4 and the parabola is 1 by 3. It is not mentioned. Use but you have to use double integrals only here. Double integrals. Double integrals dy dx over the region A gives the area of the region A. Region A. Here A is region A is, it is bounded by the parabola. What does y square is 4x represent? What type of parabola? In parabola 4 standard forms are there. First form it is y square is 4ax. Y square is 4x and x is 1 by 4. What does x is 1 by 4 represent? What type of line? Parallel to y-axis. X is 1 by 4. So, region bounded by this line and y square is 4x means this is the required area. 0 and this is x is 1 by 4. Equation is y square is equal to 4x. So, what is the reason A? Reason you have to express in terms of inequalities. Inequalities where the x and y satisfies and should lie in this region. So what is the values of x? X is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1 by 4. All of you agree with this? Because x varies from 0 to this. What is this? 1 by 4. Because equation of the line is 1 by 4. X is not negative, it is 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1 by 4. Corresponding value of y, how to find? When x varies from 0 to 1 by 4, y varies from these two, means in this region, y lies in this region. But it has a boundary. What is that? Upper half of the parabola, lower half of the parabola. Two boundaries are there. What is the equation of this lower half? Solve this. Y square is 4x. What do you get? Y is plus or minus 2 root x. So, y varies from minus 2 root x to plus 2 root x. If you know this one, then problem is over. Because evaluation is not a problem. To find the reason is a problem here. Any difficulty here? 7. X varies from 0 to 1 by 4. Correct? Because we have line x is equal to 1 by 4 means this is the line. This parabola has a boundary here. Parabola, no part of the parabola lies negative of x axis. This you should know what is the shape of the parabola. This is parabola, it passes through origin 0, 0. And the shape is like this, it is symmetric. Now y square is equal to 4x. If you solve, what you get? Plus or minus 2 root x. Correct? Solve this. Y is plus or minus 2 root x. This is minus 2 root x. It is plus 2 root x. So less than or equal to 2 root x. This one. Greater than or equal to lower part. Minus 2 root x. So if you know the reason, then the problem is over. So what is the area? Now evaluate the double integral. That you know how to evaluate. Therefore area is integral 0 to 1 by 4 minus 2 root x2 plus 2 root x dy dx. Substitute here. A means 0 to 1 by 4 minus 2 root x2 plus 2 root x. 0 to 1 by 4 y from minus 2 root x2 plus 2 root x dx. What is integration of 1 dy means 1. 1 dy y. First we have to integrate with respect to y. What are the limits for y? Minus 2 root x to plus 2 root x. 0 to 1 by 4, 2 root x minus or minus 2 root x with respect to x. How to take the limit? Substitute y is 2 root x minus value of y when y is minus 2 root x. All these techniques are you have already studied in single integrals. It is 0 to 1 by 4, 4 root x with respect to x. 4 into 0 to 1 by 4, root x with respect to x. What is integration of root x? X raised to n form it is. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. 4 into x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to 1 by 4. 0 to 1 by 4. So 8 by 3, 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0. Lower limit is 0. Four divided by 3 by 2, 8 by 3. 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2. 8 by 3, 1 upon 2 square raised to 3 by 2. What is simply 4 raised to 3 by 2? Is it 8? If it is 8, then our answer is correct. If you simplify this, cancel. 8 by 3 into 1 by 8, so 1 by 3. Using this double integral, I think even more easily we can calculate. We can calculate more easily. This is the area bounded by parabola and the line. Next, take this problem. All of you have completed. Last step, what is the answer? 1 by 3. Evaluate double integral square root of 4x square minus y square dx dy over the region R, where R is the region bounded by, where capital R is the region bounded by the triangle, bounded by the triangle y is 0, y is equal to x, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Again, this reason important. How to express that given reason in terms of limits for definite integral, that is important. You know these lines, they are parallel to x and y axis. See, the reason of integration is like this. The reason of integration capital R is like this. 3 lines. Y is 0. What does y is equal to 0 represent? What type of line? What does y is equal to 0 represent? Y is equal to 0 means this line. Y is equal to 0 means not this line, it is x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x axis. This is y is equal to 0, x axis. y-axis means x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is this line. What is y is equal to x? What type of line? Y is equal to x pass through the origin because there is no constant term. Equation of the line is y is equal to ax plus b. Or yes, y is equal to ax plus b. Linear represent a straight line. B is 0, line pass through origin, and it is of the form y is equal to mx. What is m? 1. In y is equal to mx plus c, what is the slope? What is m? Slope. Slope means tan theta. Tan theta is 1 means what is theta? What is theta? 45 degree. So the inclination is like this. It passes through origin. This is y is equal to x line. Then x is equal to 1 is this line. X equal to 1, y is equal to x. So this is region of integration. But you have to express this region in terms of inequalities satisfied by x and y. First you know the triangle bounded by these three lines. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to x is equal to 1. Therefore, reason is, we follow now this triangle bounded by the lines. This is the triangle bounded by 3 lines. Now, therefore R is, what are values of x? X is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1, because x varies from this to this. What is that? 0 to 1. X coordinate is 1. What is the corresponding value of y? Y is this region. What is value of y? You have to find out. It is not negative because it is upper half of the x axis. Y is positive, greater than or equal to 0. But less than or equal to x, because what is this boundary? For y, 2 boundaries are there. What is that? One is 0, another is this. What is this? Its equation is y is equal to x. So this is the reason of integration. Any doubts here? You have to express this region in terms of inequalities satisfied by x and y. Therefore, double integral over the region R, root of 4x square minus y square dy dx is double integral 0 to 1, 0 to x, root of 4x square minus y square dy dx. dy dx. Now I evaluate that. You have to integrate with respect to y first. What is the rule or technique here? We have to integrate with respect to variable having variable limit. Here y has variable limit 0 and x. So integrate with respect to y. While integrating with respect to y, you have to take x as constant. So which formula is to be used here? For root 4x square minus y square, what is the formula? Root a square minus x square form. A square minus x square. What is the formula? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by. Apply carefully the formula. You have to consider x also constant. X also constant. This 4x square is constant, and that should be a square form, because while applying you should require this a square. How do you apply? 0 to 1. What is the formula? Y by 2 square root of 4x square minus y square plus 4x square by 2, 4x square by 2 sin inverse y by 2x 0 to x 0 to x. Am I correct here? Apply application of formula. In place of variable is y here, not x. Variable is y. Therefore, y by 2 root a square minus x square is same here. Root 4x square minus y square plus a square by 2. A square is also 4x square. Sin inverse y by a. What is a? A is 2x. Because it is 4x square is a square. What is a? 2x. Now take the limit from 0 to x, integrate with respect to x, 0 to 1. If you take x is, y is variable now, y is x, so it x by 2 root of 4x square minus x square plus 4x square by 2 sin inverse of x by 2x minus y is 0 gives only 0 because see here y is there. If you take 0, this term complete 0. If you take y is 0, sin inverse 0 is 0. So lower limit 0 gives only 0. Therefore, 0 to 1, x by 2 root of 3x square plus 4x square by 2 sin inverse half with respect to x. 0 to 1, root 3 by 2 root x square is x square plus 4x square by 2 sin inverse half is pi by 6 with respect to x. Pi by 6. Integrate root 3 by 2 x cube by 3 plus what is the constant? 2 3 2 3. Is it 1 by 3? 1 by 3 or pi by 3 x cube by 3 0 to 1. What is the last answer? Nivedita, what is the answer? One by 2 root 3 plus pi by 9. That is the correct answer. So it is 1 by 2 root 3 into 1 plus pi by 3 pi by 9 into 1 minus 0 because x is there. Written x is there. So what is the final answer? 1 by 2 root 3 plus pi by 9. 1 by 2 root 3 plus pi by 9. All these are standard problems. They have been asked in the previous examinations. All the problems are important. I think this is enough today. Next is how to find the volume. See, if f of xy is 1, then double integral represent area. Similarly, if f of xy is 1, triple integral represent volume. So we use that one to find the volume. Next topic is that one, how to find the volume using triple integrals.